In the given question, we are having 4 representation of graphs, and we need to find the best suited illustration graph for the following distribution shape, which is skewed to the right. That simply means the maximum values are on the right side of the given bar. So let's see the graphs. So here are the graphs. This is our question graph A, B, C, and D. So in the A graph, we can see the distribution is equally distributed throughout the limits. And in the C, we can see it is maximum on the right side. D is a straight line bar over here. So the correct answer, as we can see in the graph B, all